I just want over 300 horsepower.
So a standard new age Impreza WRX is about 220 horsepower, give or take 1 or 2. I'm often asked how to get it over 300 horsepower. So today I'm going to talk you through the steps to get there. The most popular pages on my website are those of the upgrade paths. So what I wanted to do was recreate that for YouTube. And today we are working with a new age blob WRX, taken out from around 280 up to 320 to 330. A lot of people would call stage 2. So there are 6 easy steps to getting over 300 horsepower from your new age Impreza WRX. The first of these you may well have done already on stage 1, which is fitting a free flowing exhaust. A sports cat or a decat system would be ideal. Secondly, an unrated fuel pump. A Walbro 255 is the most common, but there are other options available, such as the Fuji Racing 340 that I've shown on the screen here. Thirdly, a better intercooler. STI intercooler is a perfect upgrade for the WRX. Number 4, some bigger injectors. It needs more fuel than the standard injectors can provide, so the STI pink injectors or the dark blue from the Hawkeye STI or WRX. Next, a larger turbo, typically a VF35, but there are lots of options on that. And finally, and most importantly, bring them all together with a remap by me. There are other mappers available, obviously. Probably won't use all this footage. Better to have it and not need it. So what I'm going to do is talk you through the tuning process, show you how I take it up various steps up to the final result, which hopefully will be around that 320 to 330. Right, so with the base map, it's coming in running lean, which is why I stopped that. Yeah. So it's just going over 12. Right. I want to weigh him down here, sort of low 11, 11.3, 11.4. Boost is coming up to 1.1 there. Going to try and push that a bit further up to 1.3. Okay. And then it will naturally drop off at the top just because of the size of the turbo, really. Okay. But it should be able to hold sort of 1.1, 1.2 bar, which should be enough to give us the power. But as I say, this is the
lean. Yeah, I wonder how lean it's getting up the top.
Yeah, I don't want to. I don't want to go that. So I'll build it up in stages, and so I want to be aiming here pretty much all the way up. So 11.3 is going to be enough to get us where we want to be.
Perfect.
So yeah, we're hitting 1.3 bar now.
Yeah.
And as I say, it tails off to 1.2 at the top. You'd think I've done this before, really.
Yeah.
I'll need to add a little bit of fuel and smooth these out.
Right.
And at the top here, just lean this out a little bit at the top. But as far as power, where that's going at the moment, 306. But that's not with any playing of ignition timing yet. So
right.
No, it's kind of like start off with really safe ignition timing.
Yeah.
There's no chance of that.
Yeah.
So 317 at the moment.
Okey-doke.
So we'll start playing with the ignition timing. Fueling is perfect.
That's nice, isn't it? Look at that.
Boost is good.
Yeah,
So yeah, away we go. So bang on the money, 324.
Yeah, perfect. Well done.